What's up, good people? How are you doing? Welcome to this channel. If it's your first time, thank you so much for coming on board, and if it's your second time or third time, or you're always here, thank you so much for the support for like the whole year. I'm so grateful. And on today's video, as you've seen, we're going to talk about top 5 things that you need to have, you must have when you're planning your 2020. And these are things that have worked for me, and I believe they can also work for you. So on my, of course, my YouTube book is here, so I have the 5 things, and I'm going to explain to you guys. I'm sure you are seeing many books over here, and yes, I think I write a lot and I talk a lot too, so yeah. So first things first, the first thing that you need to have before you're going to go to these books is the whiteboard. And if you've been watching my videos, this is something I really wanted, and finally I got it at House of Leather. And the reason why you need this whiteboard is because you get to write your to-do list, and you're able to put it somewhere where you'll be able to see. And I'm talking to people who are working from homes, people who are working even in your office, even if you're not working for yourself, you're employed somewhere. Sometimes it's just good to write your to-do list or the things that you want to achieve. It doesn't necessarily apply to the working class alone. Even if you're a student and you're watching this, there are things that you just need to put down that can help you get your life in order. So whiteboard is one of them. And on my whiteboard, I usually write what I need to do, so the most important things, and I'll be writing 5. Today I only had 4, but the 5th one is what I'm doing right now, which is shooting the video. Cool, guys? So on my downer part, I've written like my weekly quotes. What is it that is standing out for you on that particular week, and what is it that you want to, you know, everywhere you're going, you just think of it and then you keep on pushing. So yeah, number 1 is this. Number 2 thing that you need when you're planning your 2020 is a year planner. And year planner comes with a lot of books, by the way, for my case. Like, you see all this, yes, it's part of when you're planning your year, you need to have all this. I'm going to explain to you guys why you need to have books and why you need to put them down on paper and what these books are for. So the first book is this, which is a daily planner, and I love this book. It's been done by, it was a gift, I got it from one of my cousins, but it's made by, there's a company called Nini. So you can find out, just Google them, or maybe I'll get in touch with them and just put their link on my description box, you'll be able to see. But I like this book because it's very colorful. So on a daily planner, you get to put the dates, and then and something else that I like about this book is that you can use it over and over, like even you can carry it to next year. It doesn't have like 2019 written on it because you're going to key it in yourself. So yeah, on each and every page is like this. Let me open one that is blank. You'll see priorities, you write the things that you want to prioritize in a day, you have things to pick up. It has so many details. Don't forget, the way it has been done is really nice. Then this one has been so Kenyanized. Is there anything like that? No, but it has something for occasion. It's written over here for occasion, like for tomorrow. So you write what you need to do tomorrow down here. So your planner is very good, and it helps you keep your life together. Then daily planner, that is daily planner. Then you have this book as well, still by the same person. This one is now for your fitness journey. If your goal for 2020 is to keep fit, you need this book. And the reason I'm saying you need this book is because you'll be able to key in your journey, your progress. Like now, of course, every day, what's your priority? What are you planning to have for breakfast? What are you planning to have for lunch, for dinner, and many other things. And even how many glasses of water did you take in a day? It has so many details, and you need such a thing when you're planning your year. Then this one is a book that I was given by Jamlik. I think you guys have seen it before. Jamlik was my former colleague, and I like it so much because here what was written is, "Hi girl, keep winning, travel more, shoot more, my thoughts." So this one, you can use it as your personal journal, where you get to write all your ideas, what is worrying you, by the way, anything that comes to your mind. And it's something that you need to put always in your bag, because you never know when ideas are coming. It's something I've learned even this year. Like, it's always good to have a book with you whichever place you go, because that time I meet someone and then they come up with an idea, and then we share some ideas, and then I just put them down, because if you don't put them down somewhere, sometimes you can just forget, you know, and it's not good to forget. That's why you need a book like this. Keep it always in your bag. Then this one, depending on what you're doing, again, the number of books will depend on what you're doing on a day-to-day basis, or what's your career like. So this one is it's for public speaking, it's for anything inspirational, anything motivational. When I go for these public speaking conferences, or maybe when I'm going to talk to some students in a school, all the ideas that I want to share with them, I usually write inside this book. So you need a motivational, inspirational book. So my last book is this one, which is my dream book. It's my vision book. So I get to write all my dreams in this book. Like, I have dreams that were written here in 2016, the things that I wanted to achieve in that particular year. And then my dreams are broken down like their life goals. I could just highlight the life goals, business goals, relationship goals. Can you imagine in 2016, I had relationship goals. You can keep on revisiting this book and seeing if you're, just checking if you're actually in good line with your dreams. So yeah, you need vision book. Then the last book is now the YouTube book, where I get to plan my videos that I'm about to shoot. Point number 3, the third thing that you need to have. I spoke about this book, which is my vision book. When you're planning your 2020, you need to have your goals in order, so that, and you need to have them in your vision book when they're very clear in that vision book. So that's the third thing that you need when you're going to 2020, and it's a must-have. Then the fourth thing that you need to have is a calendar, because you can have all these things, you have the dreams, but if you don't have timelines that is tied to those dreams, you might just end up carrying them again to the following year. So you need to have a calendar, you need to have a desk calendar, and the one that I've been using is this one. And I love this one so much because it was a gift from a friend of mine called Trish, and I love this one so much because it doesn't have expiring date, because you can always just swap them. It comes like this. I'll find out where she got it from. I'll leave the link in the description box as well. And yeah, it comes with the months and then the date, so you just play around with it. So this one I usually put, like, is it rearranging or switching? I don't know, but I turn it every morning when I wake up. So you need a calendar. This will help you so much, like, to just keep tabs and know which day are we in, where am I at. And if you don't want the desk calendar, nowadays we have Google calendars, and Google calendars work so well. You're able to key in your meetings, and then you'll be able to get reminders, all that. So you need to have a Google calendar as well. You can use it. I would recommend you guys to use it. It also works so well. Then the last point, which is like my favorite, I love this point, is sticky notes. Guys, you need to have sticky notes when you're planning your year. Like, it's a must-have. They're just something that they do to your life. They add color, they add energy. I don't know how, but yes, they do amazing. Like, there's amazing things that you can do using sticky notes. And why I'm telling you need sticky notes is because most of the time, guys, we're told to write our goals, write the things that we are happy about, but we're never told to write the things that we worry about. So the reason why you need this is because you'll be writing down the things, your gratitudes, and then the things that worry you the most. Then you can come up with, just get a jar or something like this, clear jars where you can be dropping you can have 2 of them. One, you just title it worry jar, and then the other one you put your gratitude jar. So gratitude jar and worry jar. So every single day when you come back home, you're from work, you're from where your day has ended, you're working from home, whichever, just write the things that you're happy about, the things that you're grateful about, and then write also the things that are really worrying you. Then drop them inside there. Then what you're going to do with these things, I will have to tell you guys in another video, and not this one. So if you want to know what you'll be doing with these things, stay for the next one, or maybe keep watching this channel. Not maybe, just keep watching this channel so that you'll be able to learn more. But those are the top 5 things that you need to must have when you're planning your 2020. You can all do this, like plan all these things, but you don't have the mindset that, like, you don't have the faith that all these things are going to, your 2020 is going to be successful. So the last thing you need to have, not last thing, but something that you really need to have when you're doing all this, is having the right mindset that everything that you're doing, everything that you're writing, everything that you is going to be well, and you're going to have a successful 2020. With all that said, thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you feel this video is gonna help you, thumbs up, and share with a friend, to share with a friend, to share with a friend. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly press, I usually say my head, but I checked the last time, it's not my head anymore, it's a different picture where I'm just looking hot. So if you're seeing that picture over here, just press it, and then yeah, you'll be able to subscribe. So until next time, guys, kisses.